Pollinator Pathway! Good day, young adventurer!
Did you know that many kinds of plants need the help of pollinators to produce seeds and fruit? How sweet is that?
Amazing! Thank you for introducing that nature-tastic fact! Nature adventurer! We need your help today!
That's right! We need your help to be a pollinator-ator!
Pollinator-ator? Now that's a funny name!
Funny, but true! Bees need us to plant lots of flowers so they can get the nectar they need for energy.
And we need bees and other pollinators to move pollen for plants so we can have so many of our favorite foods like strawberries, blueberries, and apples. Help our pollinator friends by collecting as much nectar as you can in each level to give them the energy they need. Let's go, fellow nature explorer! Tally-ho! This is the neighborhood map. Select the first house to start the level. Gather nectar from these power flowers to fill the bee's energy and complete this level.
Crocus!
Use the arrows to fly the bee from flower to flower. Let's look for power flowers. They'll give the most nectar. Keep tapping the flower to collect nectar. Amazing job! Be on the lookout for more power flowers. These flowers aren't power flowers, but they still give you some nectar to keep the bee's energy up.
What a gorgeous yard!
Bumblebees can fly in cooler temperatures than many other kinds of bees.
Did you know mosquitoes are pollinators? Give me some what?
Whoops! You need to fly the other way. Wonderful job collecting lots of yummy nectar.
Plants produce a sweet liquid called nectar to attract pollinators. The nectar gives pollinators a great energy boost. Way to go, little bee! That smells almost as good as my cheese. Cheese! Land on special items to collect them. Sweet! You found a special item. Finish the level to collect it.
Whoops! You need to fly the other way. Some bees make their nests in hollow logs. Fly into it to finish the level. Whoops! You need to fly the other way. Amazing work, adventurer! Our little bee ate all the nectar it needed.
You earned a new flower and you collected a special item to use in your yard.
Look! We're starting to build a pollinator pathway! Pollinator pathways make it easier for bees and other pollinators to find the food they need.
This is your very own yard.
Gather nectar from these power flowers to fill the bee's energy and complete this level.
Dandelion. Crocus.
I have a spring in my step.
Some kinds of bumblebees have long tongues that they use like straws when they drink nectar from flowers. Way to go, little bee! What a gorgeous yard!
Friend, bees were meant to fly. More flowers await. Tally-ho!
produce a sweet liquid called nectar to attract pollinators. The nectar gives pollinators a great energy boost.
Just borrowing this flower.
Oh no! Ronald is taking away some of the bees' yummy nectar! Friend, bees were meant to fly. More flowers await! Tally-ho! Friend, bees were meant to fly. More flowers await! Tally-ho! Whoops! You need to fly the other way!
That smells almost as good as my cheese. Cheese!
You did it! Yes! Our little bee ate all the nectar it needed.
You earned a new flower to use in your yard.